Seeing is believing. So call us today to book a demonstration in our Fairfield showroom.